If you're going to get started with your own blog, it is very important to find the most profitable niche, that if you can make money out of it or not. So the most profitable niches are digital marketing. Why? It is just because it is booming around the world, and right now everyone is doing digital marketing courses and to learn how they can do freelancing and everything. The next is food. A lot of people are searching for food out there and they want to know what kind of different varieties of food they food. The next is tech. A lot of people are searching for tech related articles. Whenever they want to troubleshoot something, they always look for tech articles. So this is one industry which is booming right now, and I think it is going to grow a lot. The next is fashion. Fashion is one of the niche where people are interested in knowing about what they can wear and what are the different combinations they can try it out. So if you are interested in fashion and you understand how fashion works, then of course you can get started with your fashion website. The next is travel. We have seen a lot of travel bloggers out there who goes in their bikes or cars and just do travel blogging. Sometimes they can get free stays at a lot of hotels and stays and everything. So if you are interested in travel blogging, yeah, this one is for you. Even after telling you the most profitable niches out there, you might be wondering that which niche should I pick on? I'm not interested in any of these. So here's a question you need to ask yourself. What are you mostly interested in? There are chances you might be interested in something completely different. You might be interested in something like calligraphy. Then you can write a blog on it. Or let's say you are interested in writing poems. So you can get started with those kind of blogs. And this will help you to find a niche. But you need to remember that everyone is expert in that one thing. You need to find it by yourself. Let's say now you are interested in a tech blogging website. Here you need to find new topics, whatever you can write on. So here I have used a tool called as exploringtopics.com. This tool helps me to understand what kind of things people are interested in. This is one of my favorite websites because it helps me to get the trend data if this particular topic is going uptrends or downtrends. So if you have written an in-depth guide on it, then there are chances your website will be ranking on number 1 page, because not a lot of people are going to write about that particular thing. So I'm going to show you my favorite tool, exploringtopics.com, and how you can get started with it. Here you can see that I have opened the website exploringtopics.com, and here you can decide the year. So for example, if I want to select what is trending in last 1 year, I can select that. And here I can select the niche. So here there are different niche like beauty, business, company, concept, or design. So here I'm going to select tech. So in last 1 year, it will show you a graph of what is trending in the market right now. Here you can see Google Meet, where the trend is going up, down, up, down. Now here I will suggest you not to pick a niche like that. If the trend is going upwards, then I'll suggest you to go with that. So let's scroll down and find a niche. Here you can see Power Automate. Now this trend is going upwards and it is seeing a maximum growth of 99x. So this is one micro niche which you can pick. So here you can write about Power Automate, the tool, and if you want to write an article about Power Automate, this can be useful and it can give you more traffic and more visitors coming on your site. So this is how you can use exploringtopics.com to find out more topics on any of these niches. But remember, if you're going to start with one niche, you can't jump on a different niche every time.